Want to know the top 7 pro tips for successful seed starting? We're about to delve into the secrets that can elevate your gardening game, save you a pretty penny, and make the entire process a joy. Stay tuned to discover all the secrets. The first pro tip is choosing the right seeds. High-quality seeds are pivotal for successful gardening. When buying, look for seeds from reputable suppliers, check the packaging date, and ensure they are suitable for your climate. Remember, your plant's success starts with the seeds you choose. Tip number 2 is all about proper seed storage. To maintain their viability, store seeds in a cool, dry place, preferably in an airtight container. This prevents moisture and heat from reducing their germination potential. Keep your seeds safe and they'll reward you with robust growth. Our third tip is about the correct seed planting depth. It's crucial to plant your seeds at the right depth for the best chance at germination. Too shallow and they can dry out. Too deep and they might not break the surface. Planting depth matters, so make sure to get it right. Tips 4 and 5 are all about the ideal temperature and light. Most seeds germinate best in a warm, sunny spot. Aim for a temperature around 65 to 75 degrees Fahrenheit and ensure plenty of light. Remember, seeds need the right environment to sprout successfully. Our final tips, 6 and 7, focus on watering and patience. A gentle balance is key. Keep your seeds moist, but not waterlogged. Remember, gardening is not a sprint, it's a marathon. So sit back, relax, and wait for nature to take its course. Water wisely and be patient, your seeds will do the rest. And those were the top 7 pro tips for successful seed starting. Remember, selecting the right seeds, storing them properly, planting at the correct depth, maintaining ideal temperature and light, watering adequately, and exercising patience are all crucial to your gardening success. These tips are your green thumb's best friends. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and tricks. Happy gardening!